Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is inspired by this look right here. I will leave the video where I got the image from and her Instagram page linked down below because she is amazing. So starting off right here, I am taking a white water-based face paint and just applying this to the upper region of my face, and then going in slightly with a beauty blender just to smooth out those little like patchiness or smooth out those lines that we made with the brush. You don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna do it just because I really want this to be set into my skin. So I'm just taking a little bit of my airspun powder and just packing on a little bit. Then I'm taking this silver shade from the Urban Decay Electric palette and just applying this to my lid. Now I'm taking a blue acrylic kids body safe paint and I'm just applying this kind of how she did, you know, just all over my neck and chest region. Once that's all done, I'm just taking a little bit more paint on the beauty blender and just blending this up into the white so it's more kind of seamless transition from the white to blue. I'm now taking a foundation type brush and just flicking the blue into the white, creating these little icicle type shapes, as she said. Bear in mind, I do go in here and there, kind of fixing the white and fixing the blue because a lot of the times I'm not really liking how it's looking. Like right now it is kind of high up on my face, which later you'll see it'll look a little better because I'm blending more of the white into the blue. But besides that, now I'm just taking the blue shades from the electric palette and patting this onto the paint so it's set. And then I'm taking a black eyeshadow and just deepening up so the chest doesn't look super flat. Going in with a black paint now, I'm just kind of going over the black spots that I used with the shadow and blending the black out with the beauty blender, and then going in again with the blue paint and going over top of the black. Not really sure if that made sense, but basically you just want to blend the black out until it's kind of almost, it looks like it's seeped into the blue. So we're going to ignore that big flake there. I tried to look off of hers and it doesn't really look like hers at all. So just kind of do whatever you want. But off camera I just created some base for these snowflakes. And right now I'm just detailing and adding some more in. Now I'm taking a toothbrush with the same water activated paint and just flicking on the white to give this kind of a blizzard, more snowflakey type vibe. So right here I'm taking this, I think this is called Sally Gal glitter. It's just this kind of Cinderella blue greeny glitter, and I'm just literally shaking this onto my chest. So right here I'm deepening up and creating a little bit more detail for those icicle shape type things. This is where I do kind of go in back and forth and fix this how you want. taking the James palette because duh, I'm taking the shade Hello, and I'm going to be applying this to the inner corner of my eye in my like inner nose bridge area. And I'm just going to be adding some more blue shades from that palette and a little bit of black from a different palette into that area just to deepen it up. So off camera, I just finished by adding some very bold liner and some white lashes, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you next time.